Hello everyone. This is a very common error for common Windows 10 users. But I think no one has been able to fix this problem yet, although there are lots of video tutorials on the internet. So today I made this video to guide you to overcome very simple. You just need one USB boot into mini Windows environment with two operations that are copy and paste as Windows boot normally. How to create a bootable USB into mini Windows I will pin in the description below the video. Okay, now I will start to implement. You guys pay attention to each step. You hold USB ready to plug the USB into the computer. Plug the USB into the computer and press restart. Then press the F11 key to boot with USB, depending on the machine. Your computer may be other keys. You can try from ESC key to F12 key to find boot into USB. Select the USB drive you plugged in and press the Enter key. Select Boot Mini Windows and press Enter. Press Enter. Wait a bit for the computer to boot into mini Windows. Okay, this is mini Windows. Now click on this PC to open the window containing the drive. In my USB contains a file named catroot. I will copy the file, catroot, to the Windows installation drive, usually drive C. Oh, sorry, I inserted the wrong USB. I have to insert the USB file, catroot. Now I will find the file, catroot, to copy it to the operating system drive. Okay, there it is. I will copy it to System in Drive C. Okay, done. I will now restart the computer and see the results. Very well. Some computers can access Windows. The file, catroot, I have for the download link in the description for you need. My catroot file is created on the Windows 10 by 64 GPT operating system. If your computer is not compatible with this catroot file, then leave your system configuration information. I will send the file, catroot, to your correct configuration. So I have instructed you to fix the error. If you do not, please leave a message below. I will support. Thanks for watching the video and see you again.